电费举办的。是知道，他就知道今天晚上但是为啥呢？他这个打了一个错误的时候，那个安全路是让了我感觉就是他的当时的这个一些特点是本来我是能很快的能跑到这玩意儿重不重过来？这前面这场仗就是后勤啊、普通啊、炮啊、车啊、弹道，占领机场，它就能后续能跟地嘛。现在你怎么跟老板
All right, you can see the DCH-149 has come in a stable hover right at the center. I want you to watch what's coming out of that as you ride out on the left. You can see that the doors open by the aircraft. The CH-149 is in the full organized ice system. The line that would have been
هذه الكاميرا اللي مناسبة كان صار ورق